What's up? Welcome again. Today I am there with a new video about animations in CSS. So in this video I would be guiding you about how to make animations in CSS. So let's start without any delay. So yeah, I would be ready with my Visual Studio Code, and then I would type this command doc, and I would change the title animations in CSS. Now what I would need is I would just take a random image, and yeah. So here I have this pumpkin I would be taking. So pump.jpg. Yes. So what I'm going to do now is begin to code. Okay. So let's first test this. This is working or not. So I will live test it. So you see it's working fine. Yeah. Now I would give some width and height. So I would adjust it width, and let's give it 400, and the height would be 400. Same means a square image. Yeah. See. The link of this image and how to download this would be in the description. Okay, so don't worry. Now let's start the real part. That is, link it with CSS and start the CSS code. Yeah. So I will link it with CSS here. Now I will go to the CSS and start it. So first, okay, I can take this image selector and image. And so what you have to do for animation is that you have to give the animation property, animation. Yeah. And yeah, first what you have to give is the animation name. So you can take any random animation name which you may like. So I would take it as dance. Okay. And then you have to take the time interval, means for how much time you want to take it. I would say let's do it for 2 seconds. Okay. And then you have to give for how many times it will do it. Say I would give it infinite, means it would be repeating it continuously without pausing. Okay, let's now see there is some change or not. Okay, I don't see any change. Okay, let me tell you why. So I have defined this dance, but I have not said what you have to do in this dance animation. So I have to define it. So for doing it, I would just write at the rate of keyframes. Yeah. And this identifier is nothing but this name of the animation, that is dance. Yeah. And then what you have to see is, now I would be telling you about some new things in the CSS. So what animation I would like for this pumpkin is, it would be going 30 degrees backwards and then again 30 degrees front, and it will do it continuously without pausing, without breaking. So let's try to achieve that. Then we would try some other animations. Yeah. So first, it starts with 0%, means when the time is 0. When the time is 0, what it will do is it will just stay in its position. That is, I have to do nothing in the 0%. And same is with the 100%. Okay. So when I go to a 25%, means 0.5 seconds have passed. Then what I have to do is I have to move this. I have to say this pumpkin like this. Hmm? I have to rotate it like this. So I would use some attributes of CSS. Say 25% this braces, and then I would give it transform. See, transform, you can give now any transformation, like I want to rotate it. So rotate 30 deg for degrees. See, now it's rotating. Yeah, it's fine, means it's saying good. Now let's rotate it to the other side also. Now after the 25% has passed, another 25% would also pass, and then it should be going from here to here, and that means there would be no change. So 50%, 0%, 50%, and 100% would be at the same. Okay, so now let's think about the 75%. Yeah, I would again explain it to you if you are not understanding. Transform, and then I will give another rotate, and then minus 30 like. Yeah, now you see it's rotating fine. Yeah, seriously. Now let me explain the whole code again to you. So see, at first at the 0%, it is at its initial stage. Yeah, let me first make the timing to a little more. Yeah, it will do it. Yeah, like 1 minute. Yeah, see, now at 0% it's here, and after the time elapses it will go 30 degree to its left side, and then when the 25% of the time has passed, it would start reversing its direction and going to downwards, means towards its right. See, and it would be again at its initial position. Now it would start going to its right, which is at the extreme right, that is minus 30 deg, and after doing so it will again go to its rest, I means initial position. Yeah, and then the same motion will continue like this and this and this and this. Yeah, so this would be going to be the whole process. So let's say I am giving here rotate. What if I want to rotate in some specific direction? Let's say if I write x, capital X, then it will rotate. See, okay, let me change the timing now. Okay, so you have to take care of the time because it is what matters. Okay, see, so it's flipping. Yeah, it's flipping, and yeah, see, it's flipping downwards and upwards, downwards and upwards. See, now let's say if I give the y, means in the y-axis the rotation would be like this. See, this one. Yeah, see, one side this turn and one side this turn. Yeah, now if I give it z, means the z-axis, then z-axis would be the same like this. Yeah, rotate and rotate z are the same, which you see now. If I give it 90, then it would be a full rotation. See, this much. And you see it's a little breaking here, right? It's doing fine, but see, it's stopping a little more this time. But I want it should go like a, what you can say. You can say like a string, and someone is pushing this pumpkin, so it's going like this. So for this I want smoothness. Yeah, so if you look at a curve of this, then you will find then it's going straight, then it's going down, but when it is going down it is not constant, it is going down with some acceleration. Okay, so I'm being a little more technical, so let's say I would do it like this. For smoothness, I would give it linear infinite. Linear means one time. See, linear means one time, and infinite means infinitely means continuous. Means it would do both one time and continuous. So see, now there is no break. Yeah, I would again remove this and then make you see the difference. See, stopping now, stopping. But now when I do this linear, then it's not stopping. Yeah, it's going, swinging. Yeah, and it seems very much good. Okay, so the one last advice that I would give is you can do it for very small intervals. Means let's say after 25 I could also give 26, I could give 27, 28, 29, but then you have to make a lot of steps. so it would not feel good, right? So this is what is best for you. Yeah, and using this animation you could make further animations. Yeah, instead of this pumpkin you can take any other animation of yours. If you make this animation all by yourself, then send me the code, or you can just send me the output. Yeah, like a screenshot or a video in the comment section. If you do it, I will be grateful that I have made you learn something new. Yeah, it feels good. Okay, so now let's try something more from the animation. Yeah, here I am just rotating. Now let's make this little scale, means it's growing big and growing small. Yeah, so I would write scale, and then I would write it as 2, and then here I would write it as 0. Okay, and this would be scale, of course. Yeah, and by the way, you could give it two types of different animations. Yeah, like this. See, it doesn't seem so fascinating, but okay, you can give it. Yeah, so see, when the scale function, yeah, see, now it's growing big and small, and it's doing it very smoothly, right? So that was all about this video. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned for the next part, or I may say a new feature in CSS, and continue to code with me. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.